Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my Gendo YouTube channel. So today I'm going to answer one of the questions that really intriguing, I think, because this is essential and very important for new beginner, especially those who use the Visual Studio Code. So many of you asking me questions that how can I use the Visual Studio Code that running smoothly like mono behavior IDE I mean. So there are a few things that you have to know about the Visual Studio and then the extension, so you can code inside the Visual Studio Code without back to the documentation of Unity on and off. So if you using your Visual Studio, I recommend that you use the Visual Studio 2019. So just open your Visual Studio 2019 and then go to the extension step and then manage extension. And after that, this is I have installed the required extension for a Unity developer. Like if I go to install the extension, then you have to make sure that you have Visual Studio 2019 tool for Unity. So make sure that you have this one. Make sure that you have these tools, and then after that one, the other extension that you have to install inside your Visual Studio Code 2019 is let me figure out. That is ItelliSense, I think. Where's my ItelliSense? This one, sorry. This is Visual Studio IntelliCode. Like this is the intelligence of Visual Studio, where the extension will auto generate everything related the function that you're going to use inside your Visual Studio. So you don't have to worry about going back to Unity documentation to figure out what is the parameter, what is the variable that I have to put inside my method, my function. So that's the cool things about the Visual Studio extension, Visual Studio IntelliCode. And make sure that you have Visual Studio 2019 tools for Unity. That's all. Let me show you that whenever, like for example, if I create a game object, has to be game object, it automatically will pop up. Okay, so make sure that you have the Visual Studio tools for Unity 2019 and then the IntelliCode extension. Just two of this extension will help you smoothly to code inside the Visual Studio. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.